Hi guys, welcome back to Fly High Balloons Creations. Welcome everyone. My name is Deborah. If you're new here, we are so glad to have you. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you like and find the content helpful. Today I will show you how to make this adorable giant Easter bunny basket. It's a perfect decoration for Easter or as a cute gift basket. Let's get started. Materials needed are a clear sturdy box for the rabbit body. I am using this clear box. It comes in a set of 2 with sturdy bases, folded lids, and clear plastic casing. A 37-inch foil rabbit head, color of your choice. I chose baby pink. 8 11-inch balloons, color and brand of choice. I am using Sempertex Fashion Pink. 2 260 cube balloons for the rabbit arms and a half of 260 for attaching the rabbit head. 2 of these cute little rabbit feet and tail, optional. I purchased the bunny pom-poms from the Dollar Tree and the feet from Amazon. A hand pump for inflating your 260 cube balloons, and an electrical pump or hand pump for inflating your foil and latex balloons. I highly recommend an electrical pump to save time and breath. A balloon sizer for accurate sizing, glue dashes and tape for building the Easter bunny basket and securing the Easter treats and goodies. For filling the basket, line the inside of the basket with Easter grass, decorated eggs, Easter treats, or any festive decorations of your choice. I added chocolate Lenos, a chocolate rabbit. This reusable bank filled with Tootsie Rolls, a large egg filled with lollipop rings. And one of my granddaughter's favorite character, this adorable Hello Kitty and Friends purse, lip gloss, and last but not least, gel pens. Most all of the items come from the Dollar Tree and the Hello Kitty items from Amazon. Let's assemble the box. First step, set up the frame. Second step, remove the films from the inside and outside. Guys, you also can use these balloon boxes. They are cheaper but less sturdier. Third step, fold the edges. Fourth step, insert the 4 corners. Fifth step, put the border on the base and cover with folded lid. Now let's inflate balloons to form cords to build the basket. Let's first begin by inflating 2 balloons and size them down to 7 inches by pressing them up against the 7-inch hole of the sizer box. Slowly release the air until they just fit through and tie them together, forming a duplet. To tie them together, lay one neck over the other, pull tight against each other, wrap around twice, and tie a simple knot. Let's do the same with 2 other balloons, forming another duplet. Now we will take 1 balloon from each duplet, twist them together, and form a 7-inch cord of 4 balloons. This 7-inch cord will be used for the rabbit's neck. Next, we are going to repeat the steps, forming an 8-inch cord of 8 balloons. This 8-inch cord will be used for the rabbit's legs. Let's inflate the rabbit's head. Use your hand pump or straw to open up the valve and use your electrical pump to fully inflate the balloon, making sure not to overinflate it to prevent popping. For attaching the half of 260 onto the rabbit's head, take the 260 and place it across the very end of the neck. Roll it up around the 260 all the way up until it touches the body of the rabbit and tie both ends of the 260 into a double knot. Now let's make the rabbit's arms. Use your hand pump to inflate the 260. Leave a tail end at the end. Release the air until you reach your desired length and tie the 260 off. Repeat the steps with the other 260. Measure it against the other to make sure they are the same length and tie the 260s together into a knot. To attach the rabbit head to the 7-inch quad, grab your head, spread the 260 and place it on top of the quad. Pull both ends of the 260 and tie them tight around the bottom of the balloons, making sure to tie tightly so the head won't stick up. Now it's time to build the giant Easter rabbit basket. We are going to start at the base with the 8-inch quad. Place the box with lid on top of it, securing it with glue dots. Now we have our rabbit's legs and body. Next, we are going to repeat the steps with the 7-inch quad and rabbit head, securing the head and neck to the body. Use tape to secure the lids before attaching the arms. For attaching the arms, go behind the rabbit's head, pull the arms between the 4 balloons, pull them all the way down, and wrap the tail ends around the bottom of the 4 balloons and tie them together into a knot. I use my glue dashes for attaching the rabbit's feet and tail. You also can use a low temperature glue gun. Now for the fun part, fill in the basket. Pull the arms down and remove the head. Add your Easter grass to the bottom of the basket. Now you can add all of your goodies and treats. Arrange them nicely so that everything looks cute and festive, and you can secure them with glue dashes or tape. Final touches. Check to make sure all elements are securely attached. Adjust the balloons and decorations as needed. And there you have it. You have just created a giant Easter rabbit basket that's perfect for Easter parties, gifts, or home decorations. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Happy Easter. Until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.